guys, I wanted to explain to you your next project coming up. So this is music and history. We're looking at music from the 1960s, and there are 3 parts to this project. So unlike the World War II project where you got to choose which components you wanted to do, with this project you're going to do all 3 parts. Part 1, you are going to listen to this Bob Dylan song, The Times They Are A-Changin', and I have the music video here on this page, and I also have the lyrics for you to read. And then you're going to create either a Google slide presentation. It has to have 4 slides, an irrelevant picture on each, a video that is 2 minutes, or a trifold or poster. And that's only if you have one at home. So don't go to the store and buy anything, okay? And what needs to be included in this part 1 is what the lyrics mean for the time period. So think about some of the things we're learning right now in the 1960s. What feelings that the listener is meant to experience. How important the specific language is in the lyrics. And what do you like and dislike about the song? Then we have part 2. You're going to research music from this time period. You're going to pick a song that you believe represents the 1960s, and I'll let you go even to the early 1970s. And analyze the song the same way that you did for part 1. So include what the lyrics mean, feelings, the importance of the language, and what you like and dislike about it. And you can continue with your Google Slides presentation, have a video or a poster, or 4 paragraphs in Google Docs. And part 3 is writing your own. Reflect on Americans' changing values with your language, attitude, and tone, and be creative in how you present this. You do not have to sing, but I would love to hear that if you want to. And record your song or poem and include the lyrics. Use themes and vocabulary of the time period. And I have with me an example. This is one that some students did a few years back, and the lovely Mr. Smith is back there holding it for me. All right, so for part 1, then these students have a panel on their trifold where they included pictures talking about Bob Dylan's lyrics in The Times They Are A-Changin'. Then part 2, they chose Paint It Black, which was a Rolling Stones song, and they talked about the verses, the language, the feelings, what they liked and disliked, and then compared and contrasted this song with Bob Dylan's song. And then in the middle, then they have the lyrics to their own song that they wrote. Okay? So you, of course, are going to do this digitally. If you do have a poster or a trifold at home that you're able to use, then you're just going to send pictures of it to me the way that y'all did with the World War II project. And email me with any questions. Thanks, Mr. Smith.